In the barren soils of the Australian outback, the cunning sundew plant thrives where others fail. This carnivorous marvel compensates for nutrient-poor environments by trapping unsuspecting insects with its sticky, glistening tentacles. As the insect struggles, the sundew slowly envelops it, absorbing vital nutrients. This quirky adaptation allows the sundew to flourish in places where the soil offers little sustenance. It's a fascinating reminder of nature's ingenuity, turning scarcity into opportunity. Next time you see a sundew, remember its clever survival trick. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing plant tales.